Hello guys. Today I will show you how to draw dimension lines, how to delete dimension lines. Okay, let's do it. You see, you can't edit this. You can delete it. Okay, to delete it, just right click your mouse button and click this lock on screen grid system edit. Okay, now you can select it. Okay, now edit, delete. You have deleted it. So simple. If you would like to draw it again, then go draw dimensions line. Hmm. It's so simple. You can do it very easily. I am showing you to delete it again. Just right click your mouse. Okay, now select it, delete. So simple. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will show you more technique relating to ETABS. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.